Very good morning, dear students. How are all of you? I hope everyone is fine and safe at their home. So, dear students, welcome back to your English language class, and I am Davinder Kaur, your English teacher. So, as you all know, we were discussing about the tenses, and in tenses we were discussing about the present tense and present continuous tense. So, I hope you have understood these two kinds of tenses. So today we will start with the new type of tense, that is simple past tense. It is a kind of past tense, simple past tense. So the word past itself indicates something happened in the past time. Okay. And one more thing, dear students, before we go further, I want all of you to have your pen and notebooks ready with you so that you can note down the important points. Alright. Now, first of all of you should know where to use simple past tense. As the word itself says, past time means the time which is gone, which is past. So here I have written some points which will let us know, which will tell us where to use past tense. The first point, to express the actions that started and ended in the past. So simple past tense is used to indicate or to express those actions which have happened in the past time, which started in the past time and which also ended in the past time. Okay. Then second point, to express the habitual actions in the past. Now some habitual actions which we used to do, we can say like in our past time, maybe it can be a routine also which we used to do habitually. So those actions also we can express with the help of simple past tense. For example, here, as a child I played cricket, means when I was a child, at that time I used to play cricket. So how we will write that? As a child I played cricket, right? Then at a specific point in time, using indicators like yesterday, ago, last year, last month, etc. So simple past tense can also be used to express those actions which occurred at a specific point of time, when some point of time is given in the past time. For example, these adverb phrases are given there. Yesterday, ago, an hour ago, last year, last month. What example I have taken here? I saw him yesterday, right? So here saw is the second form of verb, and yesterday indicates that it was in the past time, it was yesterday. Okay. Now we can also use it to indicate those repeated action also, which I have not written it here, but I am telling you otherwise. Some repeated action which oftenly happened in the past time. Okay. So there also we need to use the frequency terms also with that. So here the rule that we can use for the simple past tense is subject plus verb second form plus object. So we always use second form of verb in the simple past tense. Okay. Now here verbs, as we discussed in our verbs topic, when we were talking about the verbs, we have two kinds of regular or irregular verbs. Okay. Regular verbs, there is a rule to change them, ed and d. So this is important in this case. Whenever we have to use second form of verb, we need to change the if regular verb is there, we can change it by adding ed or d in the end. And if irregular verb is there, we know that in irregular verbs we change the vowels which are inside that word. Like here speak, ea will be converted into o, change it into second form of verb. Here talk, we have added ed there, talked. Okay. So this is just to tell you, okay, whenever we have to write these sentences in the form of past tense, using past tense, so we need to see these rules. Okay. Regular verbs and irregular verbs adding ed, and here internal vowels we will change. So here this is just actions happening in the past time, then in present time and future. Here now means present time, past, before this time period is past. Whatever actions are happening here, those are expressed in the past tense form. And then next, this is the present tense. We are not talking about this right now. I just want you to understand the past tense here. So whatever actions are happening here before the present time जो अब का समय है, उससे पहले जो भी आपके एक्शंस हो चुके हैं पास्ट टाइम में, वो इस टाइम पीरियड में हुए हैं, तो दोज आर एक्सप्रेस्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. ओके, नाउ as I told you, this is the rule. Every time whenever we are writing the sentence, in each sentence there is a subject, then we have the verbs, okay, then we have the object. Verbs are the action words. Now here it is simple past tense, so we need to change it into the second form of verb. Now here I have written few sentences to make it more clear to you. Now let's see the first sentence. He dash a towel and sunglasses to the beach. Here we need to change the verb bring according to the simple past tense. So what we will write here, what is the second form of verb for bring? It is brought. So what is it? Brought. So he brought a towel and sunglasses to the beach. So this is the second form of verb which indicates it is in past time. They dashed to the gym every day last week. So here we need to use the verb go. Here see, we can say the repeated action. He used to do repeated action, but when in the past time. As I told you here also, that where we use the past tense to indicate the repeated actions which occurred in the past time. Here the action is repeated again and again, but in the past time. So they, what will be the verb for this go? We need to change it. So here they went. This is the second form of verb for go. Okay. Then I dash to tell my boss about my schedule. So here this forget verb is there, base verb. We need to change this form. Second form of verb for forget is forgot. I forgot. Okay. So this is O. Then I don't think they dash a reservation at the restaurant. So here make verb is there. We need to change this into second form of verb. I don't think they made. So this made is the second form of verb here. Then we dash junk food almost every day last month. So here again repeated action every day, but we also need to check this part. It indicates this action took place in the past time. So how we will express it? With the past tense, second form of verb for eat would be ate. We need to use this verb here. We ate junk food almost every day last month. Then here we have she dash. Now here 2 or 3 verbs are there which we need to change. Now in this sentence we have 2 verbs. She dash say, she dash have a great time at the party. Now she is talking about the past time. So this is the reported, we can say reporting verb here. So she said. Say second form of verb is said. She said. She have second form of verb is had. This is to have something. Okay. This have is not the helping verb. This is to have something. So she said she had a great time at the party. Then yesterday this is again, we have 3 fill-ups here. We need to use 3 verbs. One is sleep, one is go, and one is speak here. So yesterday now this yesterday is gone. We are talking about the past time. So yesterday I sleep, second form of verb is slept. Okay, this is slept. S-L-E-P-T. Slept, late, I dash, shopping, go. This is again yesterday. These are the actions which I did yesterday. All 3 actions are connected here. Okay. I went shopping and I dash to my mother. Then here the third action is connected with the help of and here, and I speak, second form of verb is spoke. Okay. So here slept, went, spoke, all these 3 actions are connected together which occurred in the past time, which are represented here. So I hope you have understood all these sentences also, and where to use past tense. Just a quick recap. Where do we use simple past tense? To express the actions that started or ended in the past. कोई भी action जो past time में start हुआ था और past time में ही खत्म हो गया इससे पहले ही, तो उसको हम simple past tense के through express करते हैं. Then to express the habitual actions in the past. Habitual actions means which are our habits which we must be doing in routine. So, but we did all those actions in the past time. Maybe now we are not doing that. For example, here as a child I played cricket. Okay, when I was a child, at that time I played cricket. Okay, at a specific point in time using indicators. Now those actions which occurred at a particular point of time, specific point of time, we can also use these indicators with that, like yesterday, last year, last month, etc. Example I have taken, I saw him yesterday. And then the rule, you must remember this rule, subject plus second form of verb plus object. We know that object is the action receiver. Okay. Then regular verbs and irregular verbs, you need to know how to change the regular verbs. These 2 things play important role while writing the sentences in simple past tense form. Okay, because verb second form we have to use, and that will be converted with these rules. Regular verb, if it is regular verb, then we need to add ed. If it is irregular verb, we need to change the internal vowels. And it is shown here, like here bring was the irregular verb, we have changed it by changing the internal vowels here. Second form of verb, same way here, go is again irregular verb. Okay, then forgot, then I don't think, they made, make, then ate, then here said and had, slept, spoke and went. Okay. So dear students, today we have covered our simple past tense. I hope all of you have understood this topic of the day, and I will be sending you some assignments also, and I hope you are able to solve all the assignments properly, and please revise them also. And if you have any queries or any problems, you can always write in your comment box, and we will get back soon. Have a good day.